Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Kejalau Conrad ke sangma uloong. Maka Jingïakren hapreng ke sorkar bat ke Hnlc kala Sdang. Hendai yementa kadang datang ke Jingïakren ke bampat don jingtho lani unofficial. Conrad uloong basyen kin Sdang no ya ke Jingïakren ke ba anbu ha ke jingtho lani ke official. Menteri Rangba uloong bakam dei ke kam ke besuk ke bala ban pendap ha ke shisngi. Namar bakala dei ke kam ke bala Sdang laslem. Kumta kan shimpor ya ke sorkar ban pendap ya ke jingdon kam ya ke ba ke hab banyak trai langru bat ke sorkar India. Halor ke jingtokit jong National Investigation Agency Conrad uloong bak sorkar kam tuklar ya kata hendai kan pelik jingmut baik ha ke Jingïakren kumba ke Hnlc ka kwa bak Jingïakren kan longkat kum ke riti sensyar jong kari India.
I mentioned to him about the ongoing talks with the Hnlc, and I briefed him on the developments that have taken place and the discussions that have been taking place, and how we plan to take it forward, and the different issues and concerns that were there, which are not that serious in nature. And I should say that there were some points of discussion, and which the discussions are going on as we speak. But we are very positive. All the stakeholders involved in this talk are positive, and we are working hard with a lot of trust and confidence that we'll be able to take this to a logical conclusion, and that we are very much committed to it, because we would like to see that we're able to resolve this issue also, and bring in kind of a long-lasting peace in the state. And so I briefed him about that, and of course he shared some points and how to move forward, and which I don't feel appropriate to share with right now with everybody, because these are matters that are internal to the discussions going on. Those are independent processes that are going on from the NIA. It's an organization, but let me assure everybody that there will not be any hindrance or any kind of a stumble or hurdle to the peace talks. We will continue, and in whatever way we can discuss with since Government of India is involved directly, MHA is directly involved in this. So obviously they know the complications of these steps also. So obviously wherever these discussions need to be made with MHA, we will discuss it. But let me give assurance that we will ensure that there is no kind of hurdle or any kind of interference or any kind of problem because of these investigations. These are the independent investigations by an independent agency that are going on. So this will not and should not affect the peace talks. So basically the talks at an unofficial level have already, communication has started. So we cannot say that there are peace talks, but as you're aware that a lot of groundwork has to be done. We have to build up the confidence. We have to discuss different matters. It's not that just we meet one fine day and we say, let's start talking. It doesn't happen like that. It's very complicated. So the process to come to an official talk to start, that process has started. And we are doing the groundwork for it. And we're hopeful that very soon we will be able to have the official talks starting very soon. But unofficially, many rounds of discussions have taken place. As I said, I can't give too many details, but I can assure you that a lot of hard work is going on into this, and it's many years we have had this concerns and issues, and it's not very simple. We just simply sit one day and say let's start talking. So we have to build up, and the most important is the trust and the confidence level, and that's what we're trying to do. And we feel that we have made quite a bit of headway in that, and we're hopeful that we should be able to start the official talks soon, but I would not like to put a date to it right now. No, I think you must have seen the communication that has come from them, that they are coming for unconditional talks and very much within the constitutional framework of the country. And so that is where it is. But obviously they'll have many concerns, and we are working towards all of that. So I think, as I said, it'll be too premature to get into details of that. And as I said, it will not be appropriate for me to talk about that. When that appropriate time comes in, the interlocutor and the concerned individuals and the groups and maybe officials from Government of India will discuss those matters. But I'm here to tell you that it is moving in the right direction.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.